at this glitter. Do you see it? Miss Honest Beauty.
Hands round my neck.
Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna. Thank you guys for being here. Today's video is going to be all about scalp scrubs and whether or not you can benefit from a scalp scrub, and what is a scalp scrub and what does it look like, how to use it. All of that is going to be in today's video. And a huge shout out to Zion Health for sponsoring today's video. Our whole mission is that they believe in Earth's ability to heal. I love that. Like, give me all the natural ingredients to help me with my body. I love it. It is the deep cleansing scalp and hair scrub. This is in the scent vanilla coconut, and let me tell you guys, when I smell this, it smells amazing, and it's pink. It's so cute. And I do want to say, if you do have sensitive skin or sensitive scalp, or struggle with psoriasis, eczema on your scalp, a scalp scrub may not be the best option for you. I'm not a dermatologist, so if you do have a dermatologist, I would say ask them first to see which scalp scrub you could use if you were interested in trying one. So just be careful, all products are not for everyone. So there are actually two types of exfoliants. We have a physical exfoliant, which is what the Zion Health one actually is, and this one is made with clay. It also has vitamin E oil, argan oil, sweet almond oil, and biotin in it, which is going to help moisturize your hair after you have like gone in and exfoliated everything. So you took up the dead skin cells, and then you're going in and putting oils on it as well, which is really nice. Although I do like to follow up with an oil just to make sure that my scalp is being really moisturized and it isn't left like dry or anything like that. And with this one, you want to make sure that you're going in very gently. Well, with any scrub, you want to make sure you're going gently on your skin, because your skin is very sensitive, at least mine is. It's honestly easier to have the product from here up, because you can get in, because if you have it on your palm, honestly, you're going to be like this, and it could probably cause like tingles, and you don't want that. So I figured out that it's better to have the product up from like here up, and it like works amazing like that. And then just so that you guys are informed about the chemical exfoliant, a chemical exfoliant has active ingredients in it that can have salicylic acid or glycolic acid in it, and you can actually put it on your scalp and it will do the work for you. These I feel like are a little bit more harsh. I don't want to say harsh, but they are a lot stronger. I personally have gotten a facial before and I got a chemical peel. It's kind of like the same thing. And my skin was burned. Like, my skin was really burned. Just be careful when you're using chemical exfoliants, because honestly you can really burn your skin, and you don't want to do that to your skin, because you want to treat it the best that you can treat it. Scalp scrubs to me are fairly new. I didn't know about them till recently, and if you don't use them, your hair can have a lot of buildup in it if you're not clarifying it well. And with this on your scalp, since you have new cell turnover, your hair is going to be a lot healthier, a lot happier. So that's just another addition as to why you could use a scalp scrub, and why I personally am going to start using this as well. I did use it today, and let me tell you, like, my scalp feels amazing, and my hair is actually really shiny right here. So I was actually really shocked. And if you're not clarifying your hair actually using a scalp scrub, the buildup can actually cause your hair to be weaker, which can cause hair loss or anything like that. So it's super important to take care of your scalp, because if your scalp is happy, your hair is going to be very happy. So if you or anyone you know likes to use a lot of products on their hair, say if you like to use dry shampoo until the day that you cannot use dry shampoo anymore, like it won't cut it. What this actually does, if you have product buildup and you continue to put product on top of product on top of product, it's going to cause bacteria, and you're just going to have a lot of stuff on your scalp, which can in turn lead to dull hair, which can also lead to your follicles being a lot weaker, which can cause hair loss and many other issues in the future. So you want to make sure that you're really clarifying and exfoliating your scalp to increase that cell turnover, and just so that you're taking off that bacteria from oil or any excess product that you may have on your scalp. If you feel like your hair is dull and your scalp is kind of dry and flaky and your hair is a little difficult to manage, you can possibly try to use a scalp scrub to see if it'll work for you. So if you feel like you have an oily scalp, or you know that you have an oily scalp, you can try to look for scalp scrubs that have like clay. If you do have more buildup, you can look for scrubs that may have sugar or sea salt in it. It's perfect if you have an oily scalp. I personally do not have an oily scalp. I have like a dry scalp. I wouldn't say dry, I feel like it's normal. But this does have the sea salt in it, which help exfoliate, and also has the oils in it, which help moisturize. So this helps. This is a really good balance. So it's already pre-made for you. I just want to show you guys my hair, how it turned out today. I used the scalp scrub today. And this is only day one of me using a scalp scrub, so I can't wait to see how much my hair is going to improve and how much my scalp health is going to improve. So I'm super excited about it. You can actually use a scalp scrub once a week. You can do more if you think like your scalp can handle it. I personally have sensitive skin, so I would probably only do this like once a week, or you can do it every other week, once a month. It depends on you, honestly, and how much product you put on your scalp and your hair. So once you try it out, you're gonna kind of feel if you need it more or if you need it less. A safe place to start is once every other week, and then you can build up to once a week. So there's that. So if you guys want to see what products that I use, go ahead and keep on watching. I definitely recommend all the products that I do show you guys in the demo, and I hope that you guys enjoy it, and go ahead and watch. Step 1, I'm taking my Organic Grow Hair Co. Clarifying Shampoo. This is a shampoo that's really going to get in there. It's going to cleanse my scalp. I part my hair into sections to make sure that I am getting off all the bacteria, all the extra product, any oil that I may have on my scalp, and really help prep my scalp for the exfoliant that we're going to go in with. I keep going in with this, and if I do need to repeat this step, I will go in and repeat it, just depending on how my hair feels and how much product buildup I may have. Here I'm going in and rinsing off the clarifying shampoo. And I'm going to take the Zion Health Scalp Scrub. I'm parting my hair into sections again. I'm taking a little bit at the tips of my fingers and really just going in and massaging gently. This is sped up, so it looks like I'm going a lot more rough than I actually was. You want to make sure that you're just going in circular motions. And this scalp scrub is going to help remove any dead skin cells, really get off any extra bacteria, get off any extra oil, and really just help renew your scalp. And this scalp scrub smells amazing. I am going in with this around the frame of my face, just so making sure that I'm getting every part of my scalp to really get the best out of this product. And then I'm just going to go ahead and rinse this out. I'm taking my Organic Grow Hair Co. Moisturizing Shampoo, just because after an exfoliant you do want to make sure that you are going in and moisturizing your scalp. Just going in with this, massaging this into my scalp. And here you want to make sure that you're also massaging your scalp to help stimulate blood flow, to help hair growth, and to just really help increase cell turnover on your scalp. And I'm really just working this and lathering this into my scalp, and I'm just going to go ahead and rinse this off. I just want to cut my voiceover self off and tell you guys that my scalp right now, with using the moisturizing shampoo after the scalp scrub, feels amazing. Like I can feel like I don't know how to explain it, like a fresh feeling. Like I feel like my scalp is breathing. That's how I feel right now. Get you guys some Zion Health Scalp Scrub and some Organic Grow Hair Co. Clarifying, Moisturizing, and the conditioner, because honestly that's how it works best. So I'm just gonna rinse this out. And okay, so I wasn't gonna show you guys the conditioning part, but I am using the Organic Grow Hair Co. Deep Moisture Condition. I'm brushing it through, like detangling it. I do want to say, I want to make this very clear that when you use a scalp scrub, you have to make sure to, one, moisturize your scalp. If you have like dry scalp, even if you have oily scalp, definitely like lightly moisturize at least, because if you strip your scalp from all the oils and then you don't put any like moisture back into it, then it can cause your hair to be more oily. And if you have a dry scalp and you strip your hair literally from all the oils and scrub it and like the new skin and stuff, and you don't moisturize, your scalp is going to be like begging for moisture. So definitely moisturize your scalp with a moisturizing shampoo, and also moisturize your hair with a conditioner, and try to decondition at least for like 10-15 minutes, because if not, your hair is going to be dry, and it's because you're clarifying and you're really deep cleansing your hair and your scalp. So it's important to put that moisture back in, because if not, then your hair can be more frizzy because it's lacking moisture. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this sit in my hair, because my hair needs moisture in it right now. Okay, so like I said earlier about adding moisture to your hair and adding moisture to your scalp, I just styled my hair, and I'm going to add this stimulating scalp beverage onto my scalp to add some moisture and to kind of nourish my scalp after it's been exfoliated. This is from Organic Grow Hair Co. as well, and I just put some all over my scalp. This also helps with stimulating hair growth. And it's also good to massage your scalp as well after you put oil in it, because you're stimulating hair growth and the blood flow and everything like that. So it's good for a healthy scalp and for also making sure that your hair can grow. So just do this really quick. It also helps if you have nails, because you're not really like messing up what all you styled, even though I probably am a little bit, but it's fine. Alright, so I hope that you guys enjoyed that little demo. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I want to say a huge thank you and shout out to Zion Health for sponsoring this video, and also for sending me these products, because I'm really, really happy to start using them. And I believe that this is something that a lot of people can benefit from, especially right now and what is going on in the hair community. Just be careful, again, like I did say, do not use this on open cuts or abrasions, or if you have eczema or psoriasis on your scalp. Be very cautious if you do have any of those skin conditions on your scalp. I hope that you guys start to use a scalp scrub. I will link this down below in the description box if you guys were interested in purchasing it. This specific scent, the vanilla and coconut, is amazing. It's just everything. Like, my hair still smells a little bit like it, and I love it. It smells really, really good. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and if you guys learned something today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and maybe I will see you in my next video. Bye.